We are encouraged by the progress made in addressing trade imbalances between our two countries, removing barriers that hold our economies back, and strengthening regional value chains. Importantly, our cooperation is expanding into new areas as well: green energy, climate-smart industrialization, digital trade, artificial intelligence, maritime cooperation, e-mobility, and skills development. These are areas that both our economies are venturing into. Such cooperation will create opportunities to transform lives, empower young people, and build the resilience of our two economies. We look forward to finalizing several strategic memoranda of understanding during this visit, covering agriculture, tourism, ICT, energy, transport, and maritime cooperation. These agreements will deepen our collaboration and will provide practical benefits to the citizens of our countries. I'm especially pleased by the proposal to establish a South Africa-Kenya Joint Business Council, which will give our private sector a stronger voice in shaping trade and investment.